The Tundra was last updated in 2022, thus the existing design of this full-size pickup truck is probably going to last until 2024. Since the completely revamped 2024 Tacoma midsize truck will be released, the car maker will already have a lot on its plate. Depending on how it is configured, the Tundra has a towing capacity of 12,000 pounds and a load capacity of 1,940 pounds. These figures fall short of those of its key rivals, particularly the Ford F-150. However, the Tundra's striking appearance and generally solid performance make it simple to recommend. A new breed of hybrid. The solid exterior we saw in September 2021 should continue on the Toyota Tundra Hybrid of 2024. The first ever Tundra Hybrid, or a new breed of hybrid, as Toyota refers to it, wastes no time in emphasizing how powerful and tough it is. The highlights of the front design are the sleek LED headlights with a T-shaped LED DRL, the hexagonal grille with big honeycomb perforations and two horizontal LED fog lights, the chunky bumper, and the muscular hood. The sides of the truck have a completely different appearance when compared to the previous generation truck, and the most noticeable changes are a modern greenhouse, thicker wheel arches, and more fashionable door panels with a slightly wider dip in the lower half. On the front doors and the two-tone alloy wheels of the standard version are the Tundra badges. In contrast to the third-gen model's 6 lug nuts, the second-gen model's 5 lug nuts are used, and the 2024 model will retain both of these features. As we'll see later in this episode, one implication is that this alteration is connected to its increased payload and towing capabilities. The tail light's C-shaped outer edges have a slight Hyundai Palisade-like appearance. There will be 3 distinct bed sizes available, measuring 5.5 feet, 6.5 feet, and 8.1 feet. 2024 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro. The shift in generational perspectives has produced many talking topics for the Japanese truck. The extra durable Toyota Tundra TRD Pro boasts a more commanding front end with Toyota in block letters, a broad central LED light bar, and 3 clearance lights. Likewise, black TRD Pro plates give the hood a more aggressive design. The TRD Pro model is distinctive in that it has tough tube steps and marker lights on the fenders on the sides. This specification calls for bigger, 285/65 R18 Falcon Wild Peak AT3W tires to be mounted on 18-inch BBS forged wheels that have a red TRD emblem and red ring. With certainty, the model year 2024 Tundra TRD Pro will have the same elements. The third-generation Tundra is at least 80 inches wide, according to the 3 marker lights that are mounted above the grille. According to NHTSA standards, wide vehicles, 80 inches or greater in width, must have front identifying lamps to make their presence known. Technologically advanced interior. The Toyota Tundra Hybrid of 2024 should have a cabin that resembles the present pickup. For a Toyota, the inside is surprisingly high-end and technologically advanced, and we have no concerns about either its appearance or usability. The dashboard and center console have been merged by Toyota's designers in California, who adopted a horizontal layout idea. While keeping the physical controls for crucial features like climate control and volume adjustment, the center console design is less crowded yet still functional. Higher trims will have a 12.3-inch completely digital instrument cluster, but the cheaper trims will only get a semi-analog instrument cluster with a 4.2-inch mid. The optional features will also include a 10-inch head-up display, a big 14-inch audio multimedia touchscreen entertainment system, with wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto connectivity, a virtual assistant that answers to hey, hi, hello, okay Toyota wake-up phrases, and savable profiles, will be another highlight of the interior. In addition to being big, the 14-inch center display will provide the driver with a fantastic viewing angle because it is considerably less tilted. The infotainment system in the lower grades will be an 8-inch audio multimedia touchscreen device. On the right side of the gearshift lever, just as the vehicle it replaces today, the 2024 Tundra will have a mobile phone holder and charger. According to the QI standard, the wireless charger will work with all current Samsung Galaxy and Apple iPhone handsets. Some of the primary comfort features of the 2024 Tundra include a panoramic roof, a heated steering wheel, heated and ventilated seats, a rear sunshade, and a power sliding rear window. Using a 360-degree video system, it will be simple to park the huge pickup. Instead of the second-gen model's small circular AC vents, the third-generation Tundra sports huge vertical ones. It sports a large A-pillar driver side grab grip, which drivers would greatly like when driving off the road, unlike the second-generation Tundra. Although Toyota has installed an A-pillar grab grip on the passenger side, this feature is not new. The manufacturer sells the TRD Pro trim with red or black faux leather seat covers bearing the TRD Pro logo. Multi-link system for the rear suspension. In order to improve ride comfort, Toyota installed a new multi-link rear suspension on the Tundra Hybrid. We don't anticipate that Toyota will make any changes with the 2024 model year update. The Tundra TRD Pro model, which has red anti-roll bars and Fox dampers for increased ground clearance, is the same. The TRD Pro variant's unique features also include a front skid plate with the TRD logo. The Toyota Tundra upgraded from the triple tech frame as it entered its third generation. It used to have an open C-channel underneath the bed and a reinforced C-channel under the cab, as well as fully boxed rails for the front section. It now has a completely enclosed frame, which has significantly increased stiffness. The full-size truck has improved in terms of stability and towing capacity thanks to a wider rear frame member. iForce Max hybrid system. Most likely, the iForce Max powertrain from the current Toyota Tundra Hybrid will be used in the 2024 model. 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque are produced by this hybrid system, which combines a 3.5-litre twin-turbo V6 gasoline engine with an electric motor. Power is sent to the wheels via a 10-speed automatic transmission. Under the back passenger seats, a 1.87 kWh nickel metal hydride battery pack will be used to store the energy needed to power the electric motor. Low engine speeds will be used for the majority of the power delivery. Once the pickup is moving at a speed greater than 18 miles per hour, the engine will never stop. Toyota continues to have no plans for a diesel-powered Tundra. The company believes that potential diesel buyers would benefit from the Tundra Hybrid. According to Mike Swears, the executive chief engineer for the Tundra, he loves diesel engines and would have loved to see one in the lineup. However, certification for a diesel engine in North America now takes 3 years due to the Volkswagen Group's Dieselgate scandal. Likewise, a hybrid engine responds more quickly than a diesel engine, according to Swears. Maximum EPA estimate for the Toyota Tundra Hybrid in 2024. Fuel efficiency is projected to be the same as the outgoing model's 20 miles per gallon in the city, 24 miles per gallon on the highway, and 22 miles per gallon in the combined cycle. The hybrid truck should be able to carry up to 1,680 pounds in payload and be capable of towing 11,450 pounds. Pricing. Starting price for the 2024 Toyota Tundra Hybrid is probably going to be close to $57,000. With options for a 5.5 or 6.5 foot bed, we anticipate it to be solely available in the crew cab variant. There will probably be 5 trim options: Limited, Platinum, 1794 Edition, TRD Pro, and Capstone. Having said that, what do you rather have? A 2024 Toyota Tundra or a 2024 Toyota Tacoma? Let us know in the comment box below. And if you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. For more videos about EVs, Toyota, Tesla, Ford, and the most recent auto news, please consider subscribing to Tech Addicts.